Okay, so this shouldn't have happened at all, but I was just messing around playing levels I dropped in the past, and,
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. God, extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your voice from across the floor. Noses are Mickey, that you tell they don't take that hee. Unzip your baggy, it's time to baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stop me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I know daddy like these sauces and wazzles we chat. So I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can call me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Cause on your butt, cause I lick my lips. Ooh, pretty sweet please. Gotta hit him with this fake shit. You don't see it coming.
oh my god, I beat Misfire! Oh my god! Oh my god! There's no way! Oh my heart! Oh my god, I beat Misfire! Oh my god! Oh my heart! Oh my god! Oh, my chest hurts! Oh my god, I beat Misfire! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god.